Why was our ancestral lifespan longer than ours? Probably they had a healthy lifestyle with fresh, nourishing foods including cereals and pulses. But today's modern foods desperately lack nutritive value when compared to ancestral days. If you could peek inside your body, you would find dozens of fire-retardant chemicals, plastic particles, and pesticides. Being busy people, we rely on instant foods and instant threat. No wonder our energy is low and diseases high. The recent ban of a food product in several states of India prominently shows the presence of poisonous substances in foods. Is that the only food product with harmful chemicals? Think. Except few, many canned juices, packetized snacks, cookies, hydrogenated sodas, peeled lentils are on the list. We are often told not to fuss much because those toxins are only in such small amounts in the foods we eat. But what we don't know is the long-term combined effect of consuming these chemicals in any amount. Remember, you're decreasing your lifespan greatly. Toxins cause cancer, infertility in men and women, respiratory disorders, and more. Think fast when your kids want fast food. It might make them dumb. Wherever junk goes, obesity follows. Decide if it's wise spending double for toxic food or worth cooking organic foods.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today, I am Aiman Mukhriz bin Mahadi would like to deliver the persuasive speech entitled Don't Eat Fast Food. Let's begin.
Have you heard that phrase, you are what you eat? Do you know that a portion of simple fast food can lead you to some severe illness such as heart attacks and lack of energy? As we know, fast food is an essential meal in Malaysia, and a quarter of the Malaysians suffer from its sickness effect and some even die. Fast food is becoming part of our life in modern society. Due to convenience and rushing for times, many of us depend on fast food for our meals. Also, fast food is almost anywhere. For example, in the shopping center, highway, even airport, to make it so easily accessible that we all find it very convenient. It is not only convenient but also fast to save time when we are in a rush. Many of us know that fast food is not suitable for our health, but we do not know how bad it is. These are examples of fast food companies and industry famous in Malaysia, such as KFC, McDonald's, Burger King, and others. So, today, I would like to persuade all my audience to stop eating fast food as the harmful ingredient.
Problems why fast food is bad.
We move to the problems. First, why consuming fast food is wrong? Because it contains chemical flavor. This means that fast food is inferior in nutrition. The prepared part is added with preservative to make it last, and preservative is very harmful to our health. Pre-prepared fast food has lost its original taste and needed to be added with flavor to enhance its flavor. According to Eric Scholar's 2001 in his bestseller book entitled Fast Food Nation, The Dark Side of the All-American Meal, he says that just about all the food in the fast food industry is processed, so much of the flavor is destroyed. Eric also notes that fast food is heavy on fat, salt and sugar and reduced nutrients. The next problem why consuming fast food is wrong is because fast food is unhealthy from its use of too much oil. Fast food needs to be a quick cook and lots of oil are required. Fat and calories are difficult to digest in our body, and our bodies will accumulate undigested fat and calories in our body to cause too much oil in our body. The Star newspaper reported in a Big Fat Problem 2009 by Priya Kulasagaran says that government worldwide are bracing themselves for an obesity epidemic soon. This condition can potentially lead to a range of health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, and even premature deaths. In addition, why consuming fast food is not good because fast food can swing your mood. Over sustained periods of fast food eating, blood circulation drops due to fat accumulation. High fat and sugary meal can cause your blood sugar level to rise and fall highly quickly. When this happens, your mood and energy levels rise and fall extremely quickly. When this happens, your mood and energy level change dramatically. Fast food can make you depressed, less able to control your emotion, and cutting them out could improve your mood. New research suggests the Journal of Health Psychology retrieve this.
What are the options for stop to eat fast food?
As solution to stop eating fast food in daily life are: first, eat healthy fats. One of the most common nutrition myths is that fat makes you fat. Your body needs fat. However, there are many different types of fat. You should avoid trans fat and limit saturated fat. But healthy fat like nuts and avocado will help you feel full and reduce cravings. Have a handful of mixed nuts as an afternoon snack, or you can make a homemade salad dressing with olive oil and vinegar. Adding fresh salmon or fatty fish like salmon to your day is also a great way to incorporate healthy feeling fats. The next solutions to stop eating fast food are shop the perimeter. The perimeter of the grocery store typically includes the produce, dairy, meat, and fish section. This is where you will find natural foods rather than highly processed food products. When you go shopping, try to purchase items only from these sections. If a food item has more than a few ingredients on the label or ones you can't pronounce, don't buy it. This is a critical step in transitioning your diet to whole foods. Over time, your body and palate will get used to fresh vegetables, fruits, grains, and proteins. You will be getting all the nutrients you need from these healthy foods. So, your craving for the fake stuff will start to diminish. It may take a few weeks, but eventually it won't even taste good to you. In a nutshell, constant and regular consumption of fast food can lead to an overall unhealthy condition. Although fast food tastes good and eating it once in a while is fine, eating fast food too frequently may result in health problems. The problems caused by fast food are mainly in the high sugar, salt, and fat content are too much for the body to handle and cause problems. Malnutrition, obesity, increased risk of heart attack, hypertension, and an overall unhealthy body are some of the things that follow a junk food addiction. These conditions are the effect of some of the ingredients in junk food, which contain many artificial food additives, can lead to significant health effects and swing your mood as well. So, please avoid fast food. That's all from me.